Heart, your liver, your kidney, every organ inside your body are built from same tiny building blocks called amino acids. The genetic information stored in the DNA is copied into the messenger RNA. The messenger RNA is read in codons. Each codon specifies an amino acid, and amino acids join together to form a protein. Amino acids are organic molecules that combine to form proteins. There are 20 standard amino acids. Each amino acid has 4 components attached to a central carbon called an alpha carbon. Other components include an amino group, a carboxyl group, a hydrogen atom, and a variable side chain called the R group. And that R group, that's what makes each amino acid unique. Think of amino acids like beads in a necklace. The necklace is the protein, and the beads are the amino acids. At physiological pH, amino acids exist as zwitterions. That means that they carry both positive and negative charges at the same time. Where the amino group has a positive charge and the carboxyl group has a negative charge. The zwitterion state of the amino acids is crucial for protein folding, solubility, and biological functions. Based on the nature of the R groups of amino acids, they are classified into 4 groups. These are the non-polar amino acids, the polar amino acids, the acidic amino acids, and the basic amino acids. Non-polar amino acids are water-hating. They do not interact with water. However, they stabilize protein structure through hydrophobic interactions. Examples of non-polar amino acids include leucine, valine, methionine, isoleucine, phenylalanine, tryptophan, glycine, proline, and alanine. Polar amino acids have functional groups such as hydroxyl, amide, or thiol that allows them to form hydrogen bonds with water. Examples include serine, which contains an hydroxyl group, threonine, which also contains an hydroxyl group, and asparagine, which contains an amide group. Other examples include the glutamine, which contains an amide group, tyrosine, which contains a phenolic hydroxyl group on an aromatic ring, and cysteine, which contains thiol, capable of forming disulfide bridges. Acidic amino acids are negatively charged and possess extra carboxyl group in their side chains. Examples are aspartic acid, showing its extra carboxyl group, and glutamic acid, also indicating its extra carboxyl group. Basic amino acids are positively charged. They have nitrogen atoms in their side chains and accept protons. Examples include arginine, lysine, and histidine. Amino acids are also classified based on nutrition, and these include the essential amino acids, the non-essential amino acids. The essential amino acids cannot be produced by human body and are obtained through the diet. There are 9 essential amino acids. Now let's use this simple memory trick to remember all the 9 essential amino acids, which is PVT Tim Hall, where P stands for phenylalanine, V stands for valine, T stands for threonine, T stands for tryptophan, I stands for isoleucine, M stands for methionine, H stands for histidine, L stands for lysine, and the other L stands for leucine. Non-essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body on its own. There are 11 non-essential amino acids. Let's also use this simple memory trick to remember all the 11 non-essential amino acids. All Amazing athletes creates games, gives players support, time, applause. Where all stands for alanine, Amazing stands for asparagine, athletes stands for aspartate, create stands for cysteine, great stands for glutamate, games stands for glutamine, gives stands for glycine, players stands for proline, support stands for serine, time stands for tyrosine, and A+ stands for arginine. Now, if you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more simple biology.